Hi guys, nothing in the charity shops today, so I went in the bargain store, Biology as it's called, and I spotted this glitter stretching rope. Cost me 79p. Let's just see what that name is. Stretching or stretchy. Stretch. Glitter stretch rope. Ages 3+. Yeah, I think I'm okay there. It's interesting stuff. You can probably guess what I'm going to do with it, being as you're watching my Put a Rubber Band on It channel. Right, let's put that to one side. Yeah, it's very stretchy. So I thought we can do a rubber band powered car with it. We don't need all of it, but I'm not going to cut it because I might use it for another purpose afterwards. Have it in mind we might be able to launch gliders with it. I've done bungee launch gliders before, but I'm thinking sort of smaller toy grade ones here. Anyway, back to rubber band powered car time. I've dug out this old chassis from my stock of stuff. It's split in places where the 3D printing didn't hold up to the stress of being a rubber band powered car, but I've wrapped wire around it and glued it in place to hold it together. Same at this end. So we will attach this at this end, and I really think we only need about that much at the most. So I'll use a piece of string, tie a bit of string to there, and wrap that round the back axle, which will be at this end somewhere. And the rest of it I'll just have to coil up, I think, just to keep it out of the way. I'll probably use cable ties or something just to hold it all together. And we'll give it a go. I'll use these wheels that I've used on previous projects, CDs with 3D printed hubs, and these are bicycle spokes. These bits are actually spacers, but I think we don't need the spacers with these. These are wide enough axles. Yeah, we can just get the wheels on there. So that'll be ideal. I'll put it together and we'll give it a go. So I've just coiled it round and held it in place with a cable tie and left a bit sticking out because that's all we need. That's going to stretch plenty far enough. Then I've got some soft string, which you could put a hook on here. I've 3D printed them in the past to slide on there and hold the string in place, but you can also get away with just laying it over there, wrapping it round so it goes over itself a few times, and once you've got enough on there, it actually holds itself in place. And then you can wind it up and then away we go. So we'll give that a try. Okay, that does the distance. We'll see if we can hit the camera. Well, it clearly works. It does look rather unfortunate. I'm sure somebody will comment on that.